Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update the driver of audio in Windows 11. So if you have audio device and you want to update driver, you are the right place. Go to search bar and search device manager. As you can see on the top here, click on here and wait to load the window. Now maximize the window. Now in the left panel you have to search for audio processing objects. As you can see here, audio processing objects, double click on it. Now you can see the option DTS audio effects and components. So you have to do right click on it and you can see the first option here, update driver. Click on here. Now you can see the two options here, search automatically for drivers as well as browse my computer for drivers. If you have already downloaded the updated version of your audio, so you have to go to second option and upload it, and your audio device drive will be updated. And if you have not downloaded yet, you have to go to first option and click on here, search automatically. Now you can see my device effects component is already updated, so search it in your computer. If you have not downloaded yet, download now and update to driver. Now you have to close this window again. Now in the search box type settings, open settings. After opening settings, you can see the last option here in the left panel, Windows Update. Go to here and click on check for updates. Now it will start scanning for the latest updated driver for your audio device. It will take a few seconds for checking up. Just wait for seconds. It's checking for the latest updates. Okay, now you can see my device is already updated, but I have one security intel update from a Microsoft Defender antivirus and it start downloading. As you can see here, you can check in your laptop as well. If you have any pending updates, download and install in your PC driver for an enhanced improvement and experience. That's it guys. Now that was the video for how to update your audio drivers in your Windows 11 PC laptop. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.